the black vultures send me a prayer and I'll spread my wings in the sky. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Oh, hold on, we're flying high. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Hey, tell me a story. You've been hiding yourself again. Turn your shame into glory and shake off the ball and chain. Call me insane, call me a fool. You're in the...
This is a new trail that I stumbled upon on 101 and 101 Red, and it's kind of a playground slash trail. You can kind of pick your own lines through here. It's mostly just loose shale rock. There's a couple little boulder fields, which is pretty fun, and you just meander your way through this pit. Carburetor? Sounds like carburetor part.
Yeah, just stick Oh, you'll get there.
Here's an example of pick your line. Kurt is coming down this spot by the entrance. I ended up going up it and I didn't get it on film, but then I spotted one of Mike U-Joint's buddies up it, and he made it up it pretty easily. Try to rear steer up it now. I put that rock there. There you go. Yeah. Now rear steer back. Yeah. Stay in it. Stay in it. Rear steer to me. There you go. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment on where you're watching from, and we'll catch you on the trail.